Hey people, hope you're good. Right, I've got another bad boy unboxing right here. Shout out to my Footshop fan once again for looking out. Here is the off-white rubber dunks. I love the box, absolutely wicked. And check it out. The paper inside reminds me of Kodak film. For those who remember how things used to go down with a celluloid. Into these bad boys. Now the thing is, some peeps ain't feeling them. I am. This is a hard body shoe taking inspiration from the Dunk and also skate shoes from the late 90s and early noughties. This is a wicked, wicked look. Gum sole for the win. You can skate in these. The materials are absolutely top notch. These are tough. These are built. You got a spare set of laces as well with the ubiquitous writing that is so synonymous with Virgil's aesthetic. But yo, this is the EU exclusive and available at Footshop. There's two other colours as well. There's the black green, which is US only, and then there's the gold black versions, which are an Asia exclusive. But I gotta say, I think we lucked out, because for me, these bad boys are my favourite ones out of the three. And yeah, I gotta say, another worthy addition to the off-white family with Nike. Seriously, done it once again, Virgil, I have to say. Yo, anyway, peace and love to my Footshop fam and to you peoples as well.